What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be creating this beautiful hot pink makeup look, which is perfect for spring. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and jump right into the eyes. So I do want to create a makeup look that has some sort of pink feel to it. Nothing too crazy, but I do want a hint of pink. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. Now I've heard, okay, that BH Cosmetics has gone out of business pretty much. I need to go see how true that is, because I just cannot believe it, because BH Cosmetic was like one of the first makeup brands along with Coastal Scents. I just cannot believe it. They had such great eyeshadows, and I still love this palette to this day. It's super old, but I'm still going to use it, and you guys know that I only use one palette. I couldn't even get that out because I don't be trying to do the most, okay? So the first shade we're going to go into is this shade right here, which is called Escape. And it may seem like I'm working a little backwards, but just stay with me, sis. I feel like I have not done eyeshadow in forever, y'all. Like, I feel like eyeshadow is like distinct. It's like dinosaurs nowadays, okay? Like, nobody's really doing it. And honestly, you guys, I was actually going to stop filming makeup tutorials because I just feel like we're in 2022 and a lot of you guys have already learned how to do your makeup. And you really don't need tutorials. I guess more so just kind of like ideas or inspiration. But since nobody's really wearing eyeshadow anymore, it's kind of crazy. But I tend to watch makeup tutorials for the aesthetic, and also like it's just a vibe for me. I enjoy seeing other girls do their makeup. I learn different techniques, all of that kind of stuff. I still do love eyeshadow. I feel like I just don't wear it as much as I used to. The next shade we're going into is this shade right here, which is called Electric. And I'm also going to take this shade in the crease as well. And I'm taking a smaller brush too. Shout out to the girls that actually have stayed true to themselves, who have stayed true to makeup, which is, you know, what most women started off doing on YouTube initially. Before vlogs and lifestyle, all of that came a thing. Makeup was definitely the it thing, the it girl, okay? It was. So shout out to my girls that still do makeup tutorials and have started off doing makeup tutorials and they still are at it. Like, I salute you, sis. Y'all, I'm getting so excited. Oh my gosh, I have not done eyeshadow in forever. And if you know that I love pink. Pink is literally my favorite color. So I am just getting super excited over here. Moving along, the next shade I'm taking is right here. It is the shade Dippy. It's this beautiful hot pink shade. I literally call every shade beautiful, girl. Like, literally. But like I was saying, honestly, that's why I have continued to do makeup looks here on my channel. Get ready with me, is because I just love makeup in general, whether that's a clean minimalistic makeup look or either color and super glam. Like, I just love makeup, and I really don't care. I hate to say it like this, but it really doesn't matter to me if people watch or not, because I know people are going to watch anyway. At least the girls that actually enjoy makeup. Because I know recently on one of my vlogs I was talking to you guys and asking for those of you that watch my vlog, you know, who watches and who doesn't watch the makeup tutorials or like sit down videos, because I get it. Some people just like lifestyle videos because that's just the thing now. That's the it thing now. But I still enjoy filming sit down content and makeup tutorials and stuff. So I don't care if 10 people watch, okay? Because it's something I want to do. So I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called, ooh, I'm not even going to butcher that name, girl, but I'm going to take that on a super small brush. I don't necessarily want a cut crease or anything. I just want to see what this color is going to do. Ooh, this is so pretty. I definitely was not going for this much glitter, but this is super, super pretty, and we're gonna go along with it. And I'm just going back in with that hot pink shade just to kind of make sure the glitter meets the pink shade. This is so pretty, you guys. I did not even mean for this look to be a glam, but that was super pretty, only using like 4 eyeshadows. So I was gonna do a wing liner, but because I don't want to be doing too much, I'm gonna just go right in with these lashes. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of eyeliner, just some regular black eyeliner, just to better hide the lash band. The eyes are pretty much done. Moving on to the face. So I'm going to be using some of the products that I used in my last video, you guys, because I really enjoyed that makeup look. It was super beautiful, flawless, you guys. Like, it was the skin for me. So for my primer, I'm just taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is the pore minimizing one. And I don't even know if they still sell this primer, girl, but I love it. And I love how it wore yesterday because I was so nervous that it was not going to keep me matte because it is the summer months, like I was saying in my last video. But it did really good, you guys. And yesterday was actually a really hot day as well. I don't think it's as hot as it was yesterday today. Did I just say that right? So for my foundation, I'm using this one again. I love this foundation, you guys. Well, this tinted serum, if you will. The only thing that I don't like, I would say, is the packaging. And I also do not like that this foundation does not have SPF in it, because to me, something so light coverage like this you would typically wear during the daytime, at least for me. So I just kind of think that it doesn't have SPF in it. I don't really know. I am going in with just a little bit more because I do want a little bit more coverage. Love the natural glow that this foundation adds to my skin. So now moving on to concealers, and I'm using the same two. So I'm using the e.l.f. hydrated concealers. One's in tan neutral and then one is in medium beige. This is actually going to be interesting because I get to see how this foundation wears with a more lighter, cleaner makeup look, and also to see how it wears with a little bit of glam. So I'm going to give this some time to dry because I do want as much coverage as I can get from this concealer. So that's a little trick. If you want more coverage from your concealer, instead of immediately blending it out, if it's not a mattifying concealer, go ahead and let it sit a little bit and then blend it out. I also feel like I like trendy makeup and when new trends come out, but I don't get too caught up in it. As you guys can see, I still do my concealer how people used to do it before they start doing the inner corners and then the V. Like, and I do what works for my face, so what works for somebody else may not work for you. And I feel like when you do that, I do like that it does give you that cat eye effect. But being that I already have like a full round face, I don't want like my face to look wider. And I feel like for me, it just makes my face look a little bit more wider than what it is. Almost like contouring. People contour their face different ways. Some people do like down, some people do across. All different type of ways, girl. So just do what works for you. It kind of all ends up in the same place anyway, because you guys can see it just did the same thing. Like, it really doesn't matter. I think it's just all about people thinking something's new and wanting to try it. I don't know what it is, but we ain't doing it on this channel. And I'm using this Laura Mercier powder to set the under eyes and also my forehead. And then I'm just gonna set my face with this Sephora powder. I am in love with this powder too, you guys. Like, girl, it was the no smile lines for me, okay? And I smile a lot, okay? It's just naturally in me. I love to smile. I'm a natural happy person. And this did exactly what it was supposed to do. So if you have smile lines or any fine lines on your face, definitely give this powder a try. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this Morphe bronzer in the shade Leader. And for my blush, I'm using this one from Nika K. It is, I don't know. It's just pink, girl. I also have been loving this brush, you guys. It's from Real Techniques. And I love how I can literally just put my blush exactly where I want. And it does not mess up my foundation. Little bit of highlight for the nose. And this is just the Essence one. I love this highlighter, you guys. Super affordable and does not have glitter in it. Like, it's strictly a highlighter. Like, there is no glitter, and if it is, it's very, very finely milled, which is what a highlighter is supposed to look like, okay? So to finish off the eyes, I'm going back in with this palette, and I'm taking the pink shade right here on this M506 brush, and I'm literally going to put this right into my lower lash line. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use some of the darker shade because that's not even showing up, girl. And then I'm just going in with some black mascara and putting this on my bottom lashes. So before I move on to the lips, I am going to spray my face, and this is my favorite setting spray. This is just the Urban Decay All Nighter. I still use setting spray, you guys. I use it every time I do my makeup, as a matter of fact. And that's really what helps lock in everything and keep you super mattifying and your makeup pretty much on your face, no matter if it's hot, cold, or whatever type of weather. I just don't really do it on camera, maybe because I don't want to spray anything on my camera lens. That's probably exactly what it is. So for my lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner from Kiss. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It is their Luxury Intense Lip Liner in the shade Dark Brown. Okay, it definitely looks like Kason has been playing with this, because I know this did not look like this when I bought it. Where my mama's at, because if you know, you already know. Oh, this is a really, really pretty rich shade, and it's very creamy. I need to go buy one of these and put these in my makeup kit, because it's hard to use like cold pencils on people, because especially when people's lips are not properly moisturized, it can just be really hard. So this is going to make my life and my client's life so much easier. For my lips, I am super excited, you guys, because I'm using the Kaja Beauty lip shots. These are so freaking pretty, you guys. Like, everybody that I know and see wear these on their lips is gorgeous, especially the shade Milk Tea. So I did get the lip shots. So this is basically the mini version, and I got 2 of them. I was gonna get the full size one. Oh, they come with these cute little stickers that I can actually put on my lip gloss, so I know it's mine. Okay, I'm probably gonna do that once I finish filming this video. That is super cute, super, super cute. So this is the shade Milk Tea. It's like this beautiful nudie pink gloss, and then this is the shade Rosy Mocha, which is exactly what it is, a beautiful rose mocha shade. This one actually may be really pretty because it actually may tone down the look. Yes, I really, really wanted to use this one. Oh my gosh, but I think I'm gonna end up using this one. And plus, I love minis anyway. Like, they just fit in my small bags. And I also feel like I already have so many full-size lip glosses. I really ain't need to buy this, okay? Let's talk about it. But I did. I wanted to try it. I think these put me in the mindset of buxom glosses. They smell like it. I don't know if they have like a ooh, I love the applicator. It looks like a little scoop. Can y'all see it? It looks like a little scoop. Girl, look at that. That is too cute. So we're gonna leave it just like that, okay? And it's nice and shiny. It's cute, girl. It's real cute. It could be a little bit more shiny though. It really could. It could use a clear gloss, because y'all know I love some shiny lips. But this color combo is really pretty. Like, it really tones down the eyes. Super pretty. I like this look. Normally I love a light nude, but I love this lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my jewelry, put on my clothes and everything, and I will be back to show you guys the final finished look. Stay tuned, girl. That is pretty much it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you can't tell, I'm rushing per usual. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you are officially an angel, babe. Okay, sis? Thank you guys so much, and as always, be blessed. I love you guys, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.